everyone, today we're going to see 3 rice varieties. Usually when we say rice varieties, it is tamarind rice, coconut rice and lemon rice. But today we're going to see 3 different recipes which are truly delicious, tasty and also healthy. So come, let's check out the first recipe. The first recipe is going to be raw mango rice. So here I'm using peanut oil. You could use any oil of your choice, about teaspoon. So to this I'm going to add mustard seeds, about half a teaspoon. I also have urad dal, about half a teaspoon, chana dal, some cumin seeds. To this I'm also adding some red chilies. I'm also adding peanuts, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. Saute this for a bit in low flame. I also have ginger and garlic grated here. I'm also adding that a teaspoon. To this I'm also adding some curry leaves for additional taste. So as I mentioned, I've added pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds as just an additional, for that crunch factor, and it's also very healthy. So now it's kind of sauteed and I'm adding some onions. So the onion need not be sauteed for a long time. It just has to be translucent. Just for like 2 minutes is enough. So at this stage we are going to add the raw mango which we have grated. So once we added the raw mango, just saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we can add the powders. To this I'm going to add about quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, some hing, about teaspoon. I've added salt to the rice, so I'm just adding a little bit of salt here. Saute this well. The raw mango is quite sour today, so I'm going to add a little bit of jaggery to this. It's your choice, but today I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of jaggery for this. Here I've got cooked rice which is just 80% done, and I've also added salt to this rice. So just ensure that you add salt accordingly when you're doing this rice. So to this, now the paste is ready. So now let's add the rice to the raw mango. Give it a nice mix. So the rice is nicely blended now. Check for seasoning and then garnish it with some coriander leaves. And the final touch would be to add a little bit of ghee. Tasty raw mango rice is now ready. So healthy and flavorful raw mango rice is now ready. So now let's see the next recipe. So the next recipe is gonna be carrot rice. So for that I've just grated about 1 carrot. Along with this we are also going to use some peas for some extra flavor. So come, let's check out the recipe. The first step is going to be, we're going to heat up the pan with some oil. I'm using about a teaspoon of peanut oil. The oil is now hot. So to this I'm adding 2 red chilies, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon of chana dal, Similar to how we use in raw mango rice, we're going to use some peanuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons. I'm also adding some curry leaves. Saute them well or until the dal is golden brown. So the dal is now nice and brown. So to this stage, we're going to add the grated ginger and garlic and some onions. Very less onions. Saute this onion, ginger and garlic for about 1 to 2 minutes. You don't want the onions to be brown, it just have to be translucent. So as you can see, the onions are slightly translucent. At this stage, we are going to add the carrots. Mix them well. So the raw smell of the carrot should go. So until then, saute them. The carrots are nicely sorted now. So at this stage, we are going to add some peas. I'm adding very little peas. Mix them well. To this, I'm going to add turmeric powder, cumin powder and some salt. Very little. About 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Salt to taste. As I mentioned, the rice has salt, so just be careful about that. I'm just adding a little bit of salt here. Give it a nice mix. The carrots and peas are nicely sauteed. So at this stage, we're going to add the rice. Mix it well. The rice is nicely blended with the carrots and peas. So at this stage, we'll turn off the gas and add some lemon. Now it's ready. The final recipe is gonna be mint coriander rice. The first step is gonna be we're gonna blend the mint, coriander, some coconut and some ginger. We don't add garlic to this, it's just ginger. We're gonna pulse it, not really add water. You're not gonna add water, just pulse it in a mixie jar. So this is how it looks. I've not added any water, just pulsed it. The paste is now ready. Now let's see how to make this recipe. Here I am adding about a teaspoon of gingerly oil here. The oil is hot. Now let's add the mustard seeds and urad dal and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this I'm also adding some curry leaves. Similar to the other two rices, we are adding pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and some peanuts. So the dals are now nice and brown. So at this stage, we are going to add mint, coriander and green chili mixture here. We need to saute this mixture quite nicely for at least 3 to 4 minutes because everything is raw here. So you want to nicely mix it, ensure that the raw smell goes and then add the rice and the powders. The mixture is nicely sorted. So at this stage, we are just going to add some basic masalas, which is turmeric powder, very little cumin powder, and I've not added salt yet. So I'm also going to add salt to this. So at this stage, we're going to add the rice. Mix it well. The aroma is amazing. And I'm also going to add about just 1/2 teaspoon of ghee for some additional flavor. Tasty and aromatic mint and coriander rice is now ready. Do try these 3 different rice varieties and let us know which one is your favorite. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and let us know your feedback in the comment section. See you in the next video with another interesting recipe.